Welcome back to the channel Tech Unbox Pro, Dosto. Today we are taking a closer look at the brand new Infinix 75G, a smartphone that is designed to deliver powerful performance, premium design, and next-generation connectivity at an affordable price. This device is quickly gaining attention in the smartphone market, and in this video, we will explore everything you need to know about it. Starting with the design, the Infinix 75G looks absolutely stunning. The back panel features a premium glossy finish that reflects light beautifully, giving it a flagship-level appearance. The camera module is large, bold, and stylish, making the phone look modern and premium. The slim frame and smooth edges make it comfortable to hold, and overall, the phone feels solid and well-built. Moving to the display, the Infinix 75G comes with a large 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The display is bright, sharp, and extremely smooth. Scrolling feels fast and fluid, and watching videos or playing games on this screen is a truly immersive experience. Colors look vibrant, and the viewing angles are excellent. Now let's talk about performance. The Infinix 75G is powered by a fast and efficient 5G processor, combined with up to 12 GB of RAM. This means the phone handles multitasking easily. Apps open quickly, switching between apps is smooth, and gaming performance is impressive. Whether you play PUBG, Call of Duty, or other heavy games, the phone delivers stable and lag-free performance. The camera system is another strong highlight. The rear camera captures detailed and sharp photos with accurate colors. Portrait shots look professional, and the front camera is perfect for selfies and video recording. This phone is ideal for content creators and everyday users. Battery performance is also excellent. The large 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, even with heavy usage. Fast charging support ensures that the phone charges quickly and gets you back to full power in less time. Overall, the Infinix 75G is a complete package. It offers premium design, smooth display, powerful performance, excellent camera, and long battery life. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more powerful smartphone reviews, unboxing, and tech content.